Wel, dyma chi rhywun arall sydd wedi cael sioe hynod o lwyddiannus eleni. Sef... Helo! Adam ac Angharad. Angharad, it's been an amazing week. And the bull, everybody's talking about this Hereford bull.
Yes, he seems to be the highlight of the cattle lines. When everyone is coming through, they all stop and come and see Regal, which we can't complain about. He's lovely and he's taken it all in his stride as well, so can't complain.
You've enjoyed it, Adam?
Yeah, it's been a really good show, Obviously, it's nice to come to, the best show in the country, isn't it? And yeah, it's lovely to do well when it all works out, goes in your favour. It's even nicer again then.
This bull has left an autograph, has made an impression on many people here, including myself. And the other night, I brought my little boy by, and we had a picture. Gison ni lead, Jos bach. Tua hanner di deg gyda Aberystwyth. So, yeah, he's made an impression on me as well. And the little boy said, "Ma fe'n anferthad." He's massive. So, congratulations, you've had a great show. Llongyfarchiadau, neis I weld chi.
Thank you so much.
She wants to be the star next year.
Yeah, well, I think we've all had a wonderful show.
Diolch, boys.
Thank you.
Diolch
Thank you very much. Thank you.